I feel fancy.
So, okay.
It has been a long way to get here.
Somos de Venezuela.
We are from Venezuela. We moved to America 4 years ago.
She didn't say that.
No, but it's the same feeling.
Are you really necessary here?
We're here because of you, and because we found, which was the book? Ask and it will be given. And
It is given. It's already given, not later. It's done. It's been given.
And that's why we're here.
Yeah.
Indeed. Okay, what's your question?
Mi pregunta es, ¿cómo manejar
How do you manage
el sentimiento de merecimiento
the feeling of deserving something
con el permitir
with allowing?
cuando estamos en el vórtice?
Okay, so she pretty much wants to know, how do you add the feeling of I deserve what I want, what is already on the vortex? Like,
So words don't teach. Tell her. Words do not teach. It's only life experience that teaches. Got that?
mhm.
So when you are satisfied and therefore in the receiving mode, so ideas come, so you get what you want, then you feel deserving. It's through practicing and accomplishing and proving, do you know that word?
Yeah.
Proving to yourself. Because we can say, you're deserving, you're deserving, you're deserving, you're deserving, you're deserving, you are deserving, you're deserving, you're deserving. But then you gotta believe us. And what would make you know more than to receive something you want because you found the frequency that let it in. So you want, you get happy, you practice that most, no matter what. Thoughts come, you follow them, good things happen, then you know. It is, isn't it?
The practice is hard, but decirlo es fácil.
Saying it is easy, but
Practice is only hard if you don't know the rules. But when you know the rules and they are simple and you know the feeling and you are able to accomplish it and then results come, not hard. Start with easy things. Start with things that seem easier so that the universe can show you. Yeah.
yeah, thank you.